Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel the PetLab subscription. Let's get started. Log in to your account. Make sure you're using the email address you used when making your purchase. A quick way to check is to look at your order confirmation email. Once logged in, select My Subscriptions in the top menu. Here you'll see all active subscriptions associated with your account. Find the subscription you want to cancel and click Edit Subscription at the bottom of the subscription card. Please note, canceling will stop all future orders that haven't yet been processed. Orders already being prepared or sent on their way to you cannot be stopped. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel by using email. Compose an email related to subscription cancellation. Format you can see on your screen. When done, send this email at support@petlab.co, and after receiving your email, they will update you. Make sure to get proof of cancellation from their side. And you are done. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.